Trigonometric ratios up to transformations. Exercise 3D, third bit, fourth question. Fourth question, first one. If cos alpha equal to 3 by 5 and cos beta equal to 5 by 13, cos alpha equal to 3 by 5, cos beta equal to 5 by 13, and alpha beta are acute and alpha comma beta are acute angles, then prove that A sin square of alpha minus beta by 2, sin square of alpha minus beta by 2 equal to 1 by 65, and cos square of alpha plus beta by 2 equal to 16 by 65. 16 by 65. We need to prove these two. Okay, solution. First, whatever it is given, I want to write cos alpha equal to 3 by 5, cos beta equal to 5 by 13. Both alpha and beta are acute. Alpha belongs to Q1, beta belongs to Q1. Okay, now this is alpha, this is beta. Cos alpha adjacent by hypotenuse. Cos beta 5 adjacent 13 hypotenuse. 3, 4, 5 triplet. 5, 12, 13 is another triplet. Cos alpha we have sin alpha. Sin alpha equal to 4 by 5. Sin beta equal to hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse 12 by 13. So both are in the first quadrant, so positive. So here it is alpha minus beta, here it is alpha plus beta. In the both situations, I want to find out cos of alpha minus beta. Cos alpha, cos beta plus sin alpha, sin beta. Cos alpha equal to 3 by 5, cos beta 5 by 13 plus sin alpha 4 by 5, 5 by 13. So 65, 15 plus 48 equals 63 by 65. Similarly, cos of alpha plus beta, same in between minus cos alpha, cos beta minus sin alpha, sin beta equal to 3 by 5 into 5 by 13 minus 4 by 5, 12 by 13. LCM 65, 15 minus 48 equal to minus 33 by 65. Okay. Now sin square. Sin square equal to 1 minus cos. So sin square alpha minus beta by 2, alpha minus beta by 2 equal to 1 minus cos of alpha minus beta by 2. 1 minus cos of. If it is cos square, 1 plus. So 1 minus cos of alpha minus beta 63 by 65 by 2. Denominator 2 into 65. 65 minus 63, 2 cancel 1 by 65. So first one, sin square of alpha minus beta by 2 equal to 1 by 65. Next, second, cos square of alpha plus beta by 2. Simply, if it is cos square, 1 plus cos of alpha plus beta by 2. 1 plus cos of alpha plus beta minus 33 by 65 by 2. 2 into 65. 65 minus 33 equal to 32 by 2 into 65. 2 cancel. 2 into 16. 16 by 65. So this is the required solution. Okay, next, second question. In fourth, second question. If A is not an integral multiple, A is not an integral multiple, A is not an integral multiple. Half pi. Prove that cos A, cos 2A, cos 4A, cos 8A equal to sin 16A by 16 sin A. Sin 16A by 16 sin A, and hence reduce that sin cos 2 pi by 5, cos 4 pi by 5, cos 8 pi by 5, cos 16 pi by 5 equal to 1 by 16. We need to prove this one. So first solution. Okay, we need to prove first this one. From this one we need to find this one. Okay, so I am taking this one. Let x equal to cos A, cos 2A, cos 4A, cos 8A. So the denominator is what? 16 sin A. We need to prove. I want to multiply 16 sin A on both sides. 16 sin A into x equal to 16 sin A, cos 2A, cos 4A, cos 8A. Now 16, I want to write 8 into 2. 16 sin A into x equal to 8 into 2. 2 sin A cos A equals sin 2A. So actually 16, I am writing 8 into 2. 2 sin A cos A sin 2A remaining. Cos 2A, cos 4A, cos 8A. Next one. So 16 sin A into x equal to 8. I want to write 4 into 2. 4. 2 sin 2A cos 2A equal to sin 4A double. 2 sin A cos A formula. 2 sin 2A cos 2A sin 2 into 2A sin 4A cos 4A cos 8A later. So 16 sin A again into x equal to again this 4 I am writing 2 into 2 sin 4A cos 4A double sin 8A again formula into cos 8A equal to 16 sin A into x equal to 2 sin 8A. This is sin 16A double of 8A 16A sin A 16A implies x equal to so sin 16A by 16 sin A. So what is x? Cos A, cos 2A, cos 4A, cos 8A equal to sin 16A by 16 sin A. Okay, this one we proved. Now after this deduce. So minimum 2 pi by 5. I want to substitute 2 pi by 5. Put A equal to 2 pi by 5. Then I want to substitute A equal to 2 pi by 5. Cos 2 pi by 5. Cos 2 into 2 pi by 5. 4 pi by 5. Cos 2 into 4 into 2 pi by 5. Cos 8 pi by 5. Into cos 8 into 2 pi by 5. 16 pi by 5. Equal to I want to simplify this. So this cos 2 pi by 5, cos 4 pi by 5, 8 pi by 5, 16 pi by 5 we got. So sin 16 into 2 pi by 5 by 16 sin A equal to 2 pi by 5. So sin 16 into 2 32 pi by 5 by 16 sin 2 pi by 5. So So 32, 5 into 6 30, sin 6 pi plus 2 pi by 5 by 16 sin 2 pi by 5. 6 pi equal to 0, 2 pi 0, 4 pi 0, 6 pi 0, sin 2 pi by 5 by 16 sin 2 pi by 5. So sin 2 pi by 5 also 1 by 16. So this we need to prove. Okay. So question number 3. Prove that cos 2 pi by 7, cos 2 pi by 7, cos 4 pi by 7, cos 8 pi by 7 equal to 1 by 8. So we need to prove this one. If we apply a equal to 2 pi by 7, we will get this result. But I don't want to use this one directly. Let's x equal to cos 2 pi by 7, cos 4 pi by 7, cos 8 pi by 7. 2 pi by 7, 4 pi by 7, 8 pi by 7. I am taking this one. So this is equal to x. Okay, now what I am taking is, so I am multiplying or let y equal to, so instead of cos I want to take sin 8 sin 2 pi by 7 sin 4 pi by 7 sin 8 pi by 7. So x into y. X into y. If we are doing x into y, so all combinations we will get. So 8 2 sin 2 pi by 7 cos 2 pi by 7 2 sin 4 pi by 7 cos 4 pi by 7 2 sin 8 pi by 7 sin 16 cos 8 pi by 7. So once we observe 2 into 2 equal to 8. Sin 2 pi by 7, sin 4 pi by 7, sin 8 pi by 7. Y. And next cos 2 pi by 7, cos 4 pi by 7, cos 8 pi by 7. So simply multiplying all. This is sin 2a formula, sin 2a formula, sin 2a formula. So sin 4 pi by 7, sin 8 pi by 7, sin 16 pi by 7. So x into what is y? 8 sin 2 pi by 7 sin 4 pi by 7 sin 8 pi by 7 equal to, so what we got? Sin 4 pi by 7 sin 8 pi by 7 sin 16 pi by 7. So both sides sin 4 pi by 7 cancel, sin 8 pi by 7 cancel. So x equal to, so sin 16 pi by 7 by 8 sin 2 pi by 7. 8 sin 2 pi by 7. Sin, we can write 7 into 2, 14, 2 pi plus 2 pi by 7 by 8 sin 2 pi by 7. So sin 2 pi equal to 0, sin 2 pi by 7 by 8 sin 2 pi by 7. So sin 2 pi by 7 cancel, answer 1 by 8. So this is the required solution. So this is first one. Next, second is also similar. Cos pi by 11, cos 2 pi by 11, cos 3 pi by 11, cos 4 pi by 11, cos 5 pi by 11 equal to 1 by 30. Equal to 1 by 30. So let us consider this is equal to x. Cos pi by 11, cos 2 pi by 11, cos 3 pi by 11, cos 4 pi by 11, cos 5 pi by 11. I am both sides multiplying 32 sin pi by 11. 32 sin pi by 11 into x. Both sides I want to multiply 32 into sin pi by 11. 32 sin pi by 11 cos pi by 11 cos 2 pi by 11 cos 4 pi by 11 cos 3 pi by 11 cos 4 pi by 11 cos 5 pi by 11. So simply 32 sin pi by 11 I choose. Why I am choosing 32? The denominator 32. So okay, now 32 sin pi by 11 into x. So 32 I am writing 16 into 2. 16 into 2 sin a cos a. 2 sin a cos a sin 2a. Sin 2 pi by 11. 16 into 2. 2 sin a cos a sin 2a. 16 sin 2 pi by 11. Cos 2 pi by 11. Cos 3 pi by 11. Cos 4 pi by 11. Cos 5 pi by 11. Next 32 sin pi by 11 into x equal to. So again 16 I am writing as 8 into 2. 8. 2 sin a cos a. Sin 2a. So sin double 4 pi by 11 cos 3 pi by 11 cos 4 pi by 11 cos 5 pi by 11. Now so writing it as 32 sin pi by 11 into x equal to. I am writing this 8 as 4 into 2. 4 into 2. 2 sin a. This is cos a. I am skipping this. 2 sin a cos a equal to sin 2a. Sin 2a equal to sin 4 pi into 2. 8 pi by 11 cos 3 pi by 11 cos 5 pi by 11. So 32 sin pi by 11 into x. Now so this I want to change. So 11 8. 8 is 3 less than the denominator. So 4 sin pi minus 3 pi by 11 cos 3 pi by 11 cos 5 pi by 11. Now so 32 sin pi by 11 into x equal to sin of this is 180. Sin of 180 minus sin will become sin. So 180 minus second form positive. 4 sin 3 pi by 11 cos 5 pi by 11. Actually one more 3 pi by 11 cos 5 pi by 11. So 32 sin pi by 11 into x equal to 4 I am splitting 2 into 2. 2 sin a cos a sin 2a sin 2 into 3 6 pi by 11 into cos 5 pi by 11. So again I want to change this one. So 32 sin pi by 11 into x. 6 is 5 less than the denominator. So sin pi minus 5 pi by 11 cos 5 pi by 11. Now 32 sin pi by 11 into x equal to 2 pi 180 sin will become sin 5 pi by 11 cos 5 pi by 11. 2 sin a cos a sin to a formula 32 sin pi by 11 into x equal to sin to a formula sin double of 10 pi by 11. So 32 sin pi by 11 into x equal to sin of 10 is 1 less than the 11 pi minus pi by 11. So 32 sin pi by 11 equal to sin of 180 minus sin. So sin pi by 11. So sin pi by 11 both sides cancel. X equal to 1 by 32. What is x? This is x. This is equal to 1 by 32. This we need to prove. Okay. Next question. third bit, second question. Prove that first one, 1 minus sec 8 alpha by 1 minus sec 4 alpha equal to tan 8 alpha by tan 2 alpha. Tan 8 alpha by tan 2 alpha. So this we need to prove. So first, so I am taking LHS 1 minus sec 8 alpha by 1 minus sec 4 alpha. Sec equal to 1 by cos. 1 minus 1 by cos 8 alpha by 1 minus 1 by cos 4 alpha. So equal to cos 8 alpha minus 1 cos 4 alpha minus 1. I want to take minus common. So cos 8 alpha minus 1 by cos 8 alpha into, this will be reciprocal, cos 4 alpha by cos 4 alpha minus 1. So equal to, implies, so 1 minus cos 8 alpha minus common by minus common 1 minus cos 4 alpha into cos 4 alpha by cos 8 alpha. Cos 4 alpha by cos 8 alpha. Now, so 1 minus getting cancelled. So in this minus common, minus cancel. 1 minus cos, 1 minus cos. 1 minus cos equal to 2 sin square. 2 sin square. So half of this one, 4 alpha by 1 minus cos, 2 sin square. Half of 4 alpha, 2 alpha. Cos 4 alpha by cos 8 alpha. So now, so 2 cos 4 alpha, 2 sin 4 alpha, sin square, 2 sin 4 alpha into cos 4 alpha into 1 more sin 4 alpha by 2 sin square 2 alpha into cos 8 alpha. 2 sin A cos A equal to sin 2A. 2 sin A cos A sin 2A. Sin 4 alpha into 2, 8 alpha by cos 8 alpha into sin 4 alpha formula, 2 sin 2 alpha cos 2 alpha by 2 sin square 2 alpha. 2 cancel, sin 2 alpha getting cancelled. So sin by cos, tan 8 alpha, cos by sin, cot 2 alpha. So tan 8 alpha, cot equal to 1 by tan 2 alpha. Tan 8 alpha by tan 2 alpha, this is equal to RHS. Okay, next, second, prove that 1 plus cos of pi by 10, 1 plus cos 3 pi by 10, 1 plus cos 7 pi by 10, 1 plus cos 9 pi by 10 equal to 1 by 16. Okay, so LHS 1 plus cos pi by 10, 1 plus cos 3 pi by 10, 1 plus cos 7 pi by 10, 1 plus cos 9 pi by 10. So I want to convert into active. So less than angle. So this is 10, 10, 10, 10. So 7 is 3 less than 10, 9 is 1 less than 10. So 1 plus cos pi by 10, 1 plus cos 3 pi by 10, 1 plus cos of pi minus 3 pi by 10. 1 plus cos of pi minus pi by 10. Now 1 plus cos pi by 10, 1 plus cos 3 pi by 10. So pi equal to 180 cos will become cos. So 180 minus second quadrant minus 1 minus cos 3 pi by 10. 1 pi cos will become cos, second quadrant minus 1 minus cos pi by 10. So a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, 1 square minus cos square pi by 10. Next, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, 1 minus cos square 3 pi by 10. So 1 minus cos square, 1 minus cos square, sin square pi by 10, sin square 3 pi by 10. So sin square pi by 10 equal to 18, sin square 18. So sin square 54. So sin square 18, sin square 90 minus 36. 90 minus 36 equal to 54. So 90 will changes. Sin square 18, cos square 36. So this is root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square. Root 5 plus 1 by 4 whole square. So numerator root 5 minus 1 into root 5 plus 1 by 16 whole square. By 16 whole square. So a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, root 5 whole square 5 minus 1 by 16 whole square, 4 by 16 whole square. So 1 by 4 whole square. So 1 by 4 whole square equal to 1 by 16. This is equal to RHS. So this